Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a badge to your Wix website. This is a great way to highlight achievements, promotions, or important labels on your site. It makes your website more engaging and professional. Let's get started. On your Wix editing dashboard, if you want to add a badge here, first we need to create a badge. We will go to your canvas so that we can create a badge here. Here, you just need to choose the template and then click to choose a badge, for example. Now choose a badge that fits your needs. Let's select this sample badge. Then customize this template. Once you finish editing the badge, all you need to do is click Share. Then click See All and select Embed. Click Embed again so we can get the embed code. Now just copy this HTML embed code. Once you have copied the HTML, we will go back to Wix. Here, click the plus Add Elements. Add an element, then click Embed, and then select Embed Code so we can add it here. Next, enter the code here. For example, delete the existing code and then paste your copied code. After that, click Update so it will refresh. Now, here is our badge on our Wix site. You just need to resize it so it fits well and place it where you want your badge to appear. That's how you add a badge to your Wix website. With this simple feature, you can make your content stand out and improve your site's visual appeal.